So now another thing is the take profit and stop loss. So there you can see choose stop type. So if we use that without stop loss, it means if any order open in the master account with the take profit and stop loss, but in receiver account it will never open set the take profit and stop loss. It will close by the master account. So when the master account hit the take profit, you can see there it's hit the stop loss, and this order also close automatically. So there is another option. If you chose fix stop loss, it means if you use here 20 take profit and 20 stop loss, if your master account open a trade without take profit and stop loss, but in the receiver it will set a take profit and stop loss, you can see the 20 pips stop loss and 20 pips take profit. So but if you close order, this will also close. So I hope you understand this option, that without stops and fixed stops.